Hello, let's explain the use of the remote control of my air conditioner. Welcome. With this button, you can turn the air conditioner and or power it. You must hold and do it for a second until the light in the air conditioner comes on before a given command. These are the buttons to raise or lower the temperature by pressing the number of the air conditioner will power patch. With the mode button, you can configure new chipjam on the air conditioner. My remote control has two buttons called timer on and timer off. Thank you very much.